Hello, student. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic distance formula of chapter 7 coordinate geometry, and also we were solving some problems of exercise 7.1. Today I am going to proceed exercise 7.1 with question number 5. We know that in Cartesian plane, if given 2 points A and B whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then by distance between AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us move toward the topic. Your question 4 is, question 5 is, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the point A, B, C, D as shown given in the figure. A, B, C, D. Champa and Chameli walked into the class and after observing for few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. That means, dear students, here 4 points. That means coordinate of A is 3, 4. Coordinate B is 6, 7. Coordinate C is 9, 4. And coordinate D is 6, 1. So first you find using distance formula AB, BC, CD and DA, and also diagonals AC and BD. We know that in a square all sides are equal. If AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, then and also diagonals AC equal to BD, then we say that ABCD is a square. So first you find distance AB using distance formula. So AB equal to under root, here coordinate is AB 6 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4 square is equal to under root 7 minus 6 minus 3 square, that is 9, plus 7 minus 3 square, 3 are 9, that is 18, is equal to 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. So AB equal to 3 root 2 and BC equal to under root 9 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 7 square is equal to 9 minus 6 3 square, 9 plus 4 minus 7 minus 3 square, that is also 9. So 8, 9 and 18. So under root 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. And BC is 3 root 3. And now CD equal to under root 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 square plus 1 minus 4 square is equal to minus 3 square 9 plus minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 4 minus 3 square equal to 9. So 18 equal to 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2, and dA equal to under root dA 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 3 square 9, 1 minus 4 that is minus 3 square also 9, so 18. 18 equal to 9 into 2 that is 3 root 2. So we see that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All are equal. Now find AC and BD. So and AC equal to under root AC. Coordinate of A 3 4, coordinate of C 9 4. So 9 minus 3 square minus 4 minus 4 that is 9 minus 3 6 square, 6 square 36 plus 4 minus 4 0 is equal to 36 equal to 6 and BD equal to BD coordinate of B 6 7 and coordinate of D 6 1. So 6 minus 6 square or 1 minus 7 square is equal to 0 square 0 plus 1 minus 7 minus 6 square that is 36 is equal to 36 equal to 6. Dear students, we see that we observe that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA and diagonal AC is also equal to BD. Then we say that ABCD is a, so ABCD is a square. So your question, don't you think ABCD is square? So yes, ABCD is square. Chameli disagree. So Champa is correct. ABCD is a square. It is clear? First you find distance formula A, B, B, C, C, D and DA and also diagonals. If all sides are equal and also diagonals are equal, then ABCD is a square. And next question is, your question 6 is, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0. Let A -1, -2, B 1, 0, C -1, -2 and D -3, 0 be the given points. Then AB equal to, by distance formula, 1 minus -1 square plus 0 minus -2 square is equal to 1 plus 1 square plus 0 minus -2, that is 0 minus -2, sorry, -2, -1 plus 2 square under root is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 square, 4 plus 4, that is 8. AB equal to 8 and BC equal to under root -1 square plus 2 minus 0 is equal to -1 -1 -2 और -2 स्क्वायर plus 2 square under root, that is -2 4 plus 4 is also root 8 BC, and CD equal to under root -3 -3 -1 square plus 0 -2 square. -3 plus 1, that is -3 plus 1 square plus -2 square under root is equal to -2 square 4 plus -2 square 4, that is root 8, and dA equal to under root dA -3 and -1 plus 0 -2 square is equal to -3 plus 1 -2 square plus -2 यानी plus 2 square is equal to 2 -2 square 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Now and AC diagonals, that is -1 and -1. -1 square plus 2 -2 square is equal to -1 plus 0, so 0 square plus 2 plus 2 4 square, that is under root 4 square under root 4 square 16, and 16 equal to 4, and now BD equal to under root BD, so -3 or -1 square plus 0 -0 square is equal to -3 -1 -4 square -4 and 16 plus 0 equal to 16 equal to 4. Therefore AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and also AC equal to BD. So hence ABCD is a square. So dear students, rest question of question number 6 such as 2, 3, 4 solve in same way. If all sides are equal and also diagonals are equal, then ABCD is a square. Otherwise, ABCD is a not a square. Clear? And see next question. And next question 6 is find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 -5 and -2 9. Dear students, we know that the point on x-axis have its ordinate equal to 0. So let Px0 is any point on the x-axis, that is Px is equidistant from 2 points A and B, whose coordinate is 2 -5 and -2 9. find the point on the x-axis. That means here ordinate is 0. If you in Cartesian plane, if you find on x-axis, here ordinate is 0. Here this ordinate is 0. So let P x0 is equal distance from A and B, that is PA equal to PB, or PA square equal to PB square. Since P point, that is whose coordinate is x0, is equal distance from A and B. So PA equal to PB, squaring both sides, so PA square equal to PB square. And PA square using distance formula is equal to PA. That means 2 minus x under root 2 minus x square plus 2 minus x square and minus 5 0 square is equal to a minus b square. That is 2 minus x square plus minus 5 square, that is 25. And PB, PA square equal to, and PB square equal to under root minus 2 minus x square plus 9 minus 0 square equal to, sorry, PA square, PA equal to, and PA and PB, PA square equal, PA equal to and PB equal to. So minus 2 minus x square plus 9 and 81. So PA equal to PB. So under root. So since PA square equal to PB square, therefore PA square equal to 2 minus x square plus 25 equal to PB square, that is minus 2 minus x square plus 81. So a minus b square, 2 to the 4 minus 4x plus x square plus 25 equal to minus 2 square 4 plus 2ab, that is 4x plus x square plus 81. So x square cancel, x square cancel, and 4 cancel. So here 4x side change, 4x, that means 4x and minus 4x minus 8x equal to 81 minus 25. Therefore minus 8x equal to, here 6 and 7 minus 2 5. So x equal to 56 by minus 8, that is minus 7. So dear students, x, that is minus 7. So the point, hence the point equidistance from given point on the x-axis is -7, 0. This is your answer. So dear students, today's class is over and your homework is do question number 4 to 7. This question is 7 of exercise 7.1. Thanks, have a nice day.